Hello everyone, welcome back to my top 25 days of Christmas. Moving on to number 8 from Jim Henson's Dinosaurs, Season 2, Refrigerator Day. It is a loving parody of the 80s, early 90s sitcom Christmas episode with Refrigerator Day in place of Christmas, but through that tradition, it ends up being, for me, one of the best commentaries ever on Christmas consumerism and this witty, creative, and endlessly endearingly funny look at that element of what the Christmas holiday has become in this real schmaltzy sitcom way that we look at the holiday and kind of glossing over the real struggles and stresses of this highly commercialized consumerist version of the holiday that's been generated with this fake sappiness. And it's just such a great look at that perspective on the holiday season while still being funny and full of hope and meaning and family togetherness. It doesn't end up being entirely sardonic or cynical of its exploration and commentary on the consumerist elements of the holidays. It does so in a fashion that still just has a lot of joy and silliness, while still maintaining a sense of meaning.